If you are using voice over IP box to set up the wireless home phone and other network devices, yet only your phone does not work. For instance, there is no dial tone, or the display shows line in use with busy tone, or poor sound quality. This situation may be due to the abnormality of signal and voltage levels. As such, you should follow these steps to hard reset your voice over IP box. Remember, this reset has to be done regardless of its signal strength. If this situation persists, contact your voice over IP box service provider for further support. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel or check out our other videos to keep watching.